T349 TechnologyElement. Which of the following is the server that can be used to intercept all messages entering and leaving the network and to effectively hide the true network addresses? A. DHCP server. B. Proxy server. C. An email server. Or D. A DNS server. A proxy server verifies and forwards incoming client requests to other servers for further communication. A proxy server is located between a client and a server where it acts as an intermediary between the two, such as a web browser and a web server. The proxy server's most important role is providing security. It can be used to intercept all messages entering and leaving the network and to effectively hide the true network address. A proxy server is also known as an application gateway. It acts as communications gateway for company computers to access the internet. Using a proxy server as a gateway makes it possible to conceal the IP address of each computer. From the perspective of the internet, communications are conducted with the proxy server, which reduces the risks of attack on many computers. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Let's then take a look at the other answer choices. Option A said DHCP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it is a server protocol that dynamically assigns an IP address to the devices that are connected to the network. By using DHCP, one IP address can be shared among several devices, and this saves the user from the trouble of configuring settings related to the IP address. C. An email server, or simply mail server, is an application or computer in a network whose sole purpose is to act as a virtual post office. The server stores incoming mail for distribution to local users and sends out outgoing messages. This uses a client-server application model to send and receive messages using Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP. And lastly, option D, the DNS, or Domain Name System server, is a hierarchical decentralized naming system for computers, services, or any resource connected to the internet or a private network. It associates various information with domain names assigned to each of the participating entities. Most prominently, a DNS server provides services for translating domain name requests from clients into IP addresses. DNS servers make it possible to view web pages or send email without the user having to know the IP address. So, the type of server that is able to hide the true network address is the proxy server. And that was option B, so that is the correct answer.